All right, we are back. Gonna do this one is Phil. Okay, gonna try 2000. Let me get this plugged in. This camera's about dead. My website working again yet? Does anybody know? Here we go, Phil. 2018 Chronic. Gonna roll it. Sean K, do you want to roll on yours when it's your turn, man? And ship it, or you want to pick? Darren, the rent on that one, I think they want $875 for 1,000 square feet. $875 a month for 1,000 square. That's right, Ronnie, it has. Mike Zander, they're doing an update right now. It's Shopify. It's not me, it's Shopify. It should be back up in a few minutes. It's usually only down for a few minutes when they're updating or doing whatever they're doing. Oh, jeez. Turn. Top, turn, up top, 1 to 8 on the left, 9 to 16 on the right, 12, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That one's yours. 12, 13, 14, and 15. Number 12. Yeah. That's true. Eric, you can start ordering hockey, Marvel, and all that stuff again. Dakota Phoenix is after this. Kentucky Red, yeah, it's down right now. It's not my size. Shopify in. Shopify runs the back end. They're having an issue right now. Should be fixed, I would guess, in the next 10 minutes. Michael. Albies, Torres to 199. Manny Machado, Ronald Acuna. Devers, and Aaron Judge jersey. That one's 149. Classic singles. Frazier and Hoskins. Back end issues. Robles, Torres, Smith, Kyle Farmer, Cisco and Bryant. Goldschmidt to 299, Kingery, Ronald Acuna, Austin Hayes blue. That one's numbered to 149. Dominic Smith, Yoenis Cespedes Spectra blue, numbered to 99. Soto and Robles. Oh yeah, hi. It's not working right now. It should be back up any minute though. The website, it's having issues. Shopify's having issues. Nolan Arenado, Paul Goldschmidt, Aaron Judge Spectra, and rookie base. Dang, that's also in Hawaii, Darren. It's pricey to live over there. Miguel Andujar 99 is Cody Bellinger. Crawford blue Devers. That one's $2.99. Tyler Wade Contenders autograph. Acuna and Bader. Austin Hayes, Judge, Crawford. And the last one, DJ Peters, Panini autograph. DJ Peters, number to 199, Tyler Wade, Kyle Farmer, and Aaron Judge. That will do it. Thanks, Phil K. I'll get it out tonight, man.